Recently, superstar Rajnikant enacted movie called Coolie was released and there was an important point which was discussed in that. What was it? It was about patent. In this movie, actor Satyaraj actually invented a cremation chair which is electrically operated and he filed a patent for it. Then the application came for hearing and the inventor had to present himself before the registry explaining about his product. The government offices verified his details and then rejected his patent. Why? Because this invention could be potentially misused by the public and the patent got rejected. In this video, we are going to discuss about whether a patent can be rejected for the reason of potential misuse of invention. An invention can be rejected for various grounds. In this particular movie, it was rejected because of misuse, but whether it is legally considered valid, we are going to discuss this. Watch this video till the end, whether in the movie Coolie, the patent rejection was valid or not. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Lee Intelligentsia Law Firm. Let's understand under what are all the grounds a patent can be rejected. Number 1. Non-patentable subject matter. Section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act talks about this non-patentable subject matter in which frivolous patent or any patent against natural laws cannot be patented and it will be rejected. For example, frivolous patent means any patent which is very obvious or very simple, then in that case it cannot be patented. For example, you are carrying a helmet and in that you just add a camera by pointing and joining it. This cannot be considered as an invention. It is so obvious. On the other hand, anything against natural laws. For example, you are going and telling the government that I invented a machine where a human can become 20 years younger. This is completely not believable, right? So in that case, it is considered as it is against natural laws and your patent will be rejected. Another important point discussed under the section 3 is anything against public morality or public order is not patentable. For example, if you are inventing a machine which is going to be used on animal and if it going to cause any harm to them, this is against the public morality. In this particular movie Coolie, almost the same reason was told that this cremation chair will be misused by public and it will go against the public morality. But a patent cannot be just like that rejected because it is against public morality, because it actually makes a technological advancement. So what can be done in that situation? I'll be telling you in the end of this video. Kindly watch it. Section 4 of the Patent Act talks about nuclear and atomic energy inventions cannot be patented because it is self-destructive and it will destroy a large area of the earth and that cannot be considered as a patentable one. Hence, any invention related to nuclear and atomic energy, it is not patentable as per Section 4 of Indian Patents Act. The number 2 reason for patent rejection is lack of novelty. Any invention, if someone has invented, they have to verify whether they are the first person to invent it by making a patent search. If they find out through a patent search that somebody else have already done the same invention or identical invention, then you lose the lack of novelty. On the other hand, when you find out something which is very novel, but you have disclosed that to the public through a YouTube video or an article or a science journal, if you have already disclosed your invention to the public and then you go and apply patent before the patent registry, then also it is considered as lack of novelty and for this reason your application will be rejected. This has been mentioned under Section 13 of the Patents Act. The number 3 reason for patent rejection is lack of inventive step, which is mentioned under Section 2 Clause 1 of Patents Act. Lack of inventive step means if you are making any new invention, in that invention there should be a technological advancement and also it should solve the problem which was already existing in that particular industry. For example, already I mentioned to a helmet, if you just attach a camera, that cannot be patentable. But you are attaching a camera and you are making sure by adding a software where you are able to track the person in what are all the routes that he is going and you are able to track the speed of the person and you are able to make sure the safety of the person and avoiding them from any accidents in such a way where you are making a technological advancement with that invention, then it is considered as a patentable invention. But if you do not have an inventive step where the technological advancement is not there, it will be rejected, considered as it is very obvious. Number 4, lack of industrial applicability. Under Section 2 Clause 1 of Patents Act has been described about industrial applicability. For example, an inventor is making an invention, but to build that particular product which he has invented, it costs crores and crores of rupees. But the product it is creating and it is giving a very minimum benefit to the public, then it is not considered as industrial applicability. Any inventions you are making, it must solve the problem and it must take you to the next level where it brings efficiency, reduce the time or reduce the cost effective way. In that way, if your invention is going to be more beneficial to the public, then it is considered as industrial applicability. If it is not, it's called lack of industrial applicability. The next 2 reasons for rejections will be the procedural reasons when you are filing the patent application. That is, the number 5 reason is incomplete or wrong disclosure. Many of the inventors would like to draft their own patents on their own and they would like to submit it to the government. But what happens is, in your patent specification drafting, you have to ensure that you follow the procedures on how it has to be drafted and the claim has to be drafted in a very clear and clarity manner. If it is not, it will be considered as incomplete disclosure or a wrong disclosure, and for following reason your application will be rejected. This has been mentioned under Section 10 of the Patents Act. Last but not least, the reason is failure to respond to examinations or hearing. For example, if your application has been posted for first examination report, the government gives you a deadline to submit the reply within 6 months. And if you don't comply the submission before 6 months, your application will be rejected. In the similar way, there are various deadlines at each stages of patent, and if you don't follow the deadlines, then your application will get rejected. The following above reasons which I mentioned will be the reasons for your patent rejection. Now coming back to the Coolie movie, now the patent is getting rejected, but they mention the reason, that is, it is against public morality. But in actuality, when the cremation was done in a traditional way, it is a much slower process, a time-consuming one. It causes a lot of air pollution. But what he has invented is an electric cremation chair, which is a technological advancement and it is very less time-consuming and it is also novel. So in that particular case, they can give the patent for that. But here they are mentioning that it is against the public morality. Any product which can be used as a technological advancement, but if there is a potential misuse is there, then government can take over that particular invention and use it for a safer purpose. Now in this particular case, we can understand that cremations are not operated by private people. It is always operated by government agents. So in this particular case, someone has brought a cremation chair which can be used by the government authorized cremation centers by adopting the patent to themselves, and they can start utilizing it. By working with the inventors, they can pay the royalty to him and take the patent from him. There are many patents like this the individual inventors have invented, and it has been taken over by the military or the government for the usage of the public on a large scale, but at the same time it will be limited to use only by the governments. So in this particular case, the patent need not be rejected, but the patent could have been taken over by the government. That is the conclusion, but I would also like to know what is your conclusion in this case. Like this, in the next video, I'm going to talk about what are all the grounds in which your patent can be granted. So to watch the video, kindly subscribe to our channel. Myself Rohini, your corporate lawyer from Lee Intelligentsia Law Firm.